right, today's lesson, this lesson today will be about page 6 and page 7 in our Life Science mini book. Page 6 is on the carbon dioxide oxygen cycle, and page 7 is on the skeletal, muscular, and skin system. And so we're going to be talking about these two pages. And I'm going to try something different. I want you to be able to share my screen, and I want to show you the PowerPoint that I made to go with this lesson. So we're going to go through it slide by slide together, and then you'll have it and you can go back through it yourself. It shows lots of ideas, and it shows all the words, shows my drawings and drawings that you can create as well. All right, so let me start with slide 1, which is Life Science. We are Life Science, so that makes it cool because we're cool. All right, so I did a little drawing. I've included this YouTube for you. It's not perfect, but it's on the track to getting you where you need to be. And so this is a carbon dioxide oxygen cycle, and you need to watch this video whenever you get a chance. So all you have to do is click on it because I'm going to email you the PowerPoint. All right, so this is my version of the carbon dioxide oxygen cycle. As you can tell, the other page from the heart and lungs kind of bled through on the page, but it's okay. It's okay. I just drew my little person on top of the person that's on the other side so that it didn't mess anything up, because we have a tree up here at the top and we have a person at the bottom, and then you just need to make your arrows show that the oxygen from the tree goes into the person, and then from the person exhales carbon dioxide, and then the tree takes in the carbon dioxide and exhales oxygen, and that makes the cycle. And we need trees. We need more plants. All plants do that. So then I got on the whiteboard with the teams, and I tried to draw it for you. So I drew my tree. I drew the arrows. Then I drew a person, just kind of playing around with this tool, and showed you how the oxygen comes out of the tree into the person. The person takes the CO2 out and puts it, the tree brings it in, and then I wrote you a few notes. Animals exhale carbon dioxide and plants breathe it in. Plants transpire oxygen and animals breathe it in. Save the trees! This is how, I already showed you how it really looks in my book. All right, so moving on to page 7. Skeletal, muscular, and skin systems. This is what your whole page 7 will look like when you're done. I wrote you a little note here. I split the page in half, as you can see. I split the page in half about 2/3 of the way down. This side is skeletal, this side is muscular, and then skin is at the bottom. I'll show you more on that coming up. All right, so for the skeletal system, this is all going on the upper left. There's the word skeletal, not skeleton, and it's bones and joints in the body. Adults have 206 bones in their bodies, and teeth don't count. I made you some more notes. And so I made you, here's what you're going to start with. You're going to start the skeletal system. You're going to write bones and joints in the body. Next, you'll write adults have 206 bones in their body, and teeth don't count. And then you're going to write some more details. The weakest bone and the strongest bone. So the weakest bone is the lacrimal, which is the little bone between your eyes. And the strongest bone is your femur. It's also the longest bone. That brings us to the upper right side of the page, which is your muscular system. Muscles and tissues that move the bones. There are more than 650 muscles designed to move your skeleton. And then it starts to show you some details I've given you lots of details. This one is a little bit hard to read. I may have to go in and fix that before I email it to you. These are the top 5 hardest working muscles in your body: your heart, your eyes, your gluteus maximus, which you're sitting on right now probably, and I'm not sure, I can't see that one. Oh, your masseter, which is your jaw, and your tongue, which works 24/7. Even when you're asleep, it's helping you swallow the saliva. All right. This is how skin looks in your book. It's just this bottom part. There's 4 bullets here. And 1 says it's the largest organ in your body. Number 2 says it weighs about 6 pounds. 3, it protects against light, heat, injury, and infection. And number 4, it helps you maintain, regulates your body heat and water. All right, so that concludes the PowerPoint, which I will then share with you. And I will send it out to you. Then you can work on those 2 pages and let me know how you like this format. Let me know if you like me sending out data to you on a video, and that way I will know what your preference is. All right, that's the end of page 6 and 7. Thanks.